Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Electrical Concepts. My name is Aviken Roy. So in this video lecture, I'll be talking about the DC transient analysis of RC series circuit. In my previous video lecture, I have discussed the DC transient analysis of RL series circuit. So let's start. So as you can see, this is the circuit diagram of RC series circuit. This is the switch and 1 and 2 are two different positions where the switch can be moved. Okay. So let's discuss first what will happen when the switch is in position 1. So now the circuit will look like this, right? And this is the current flowing through this circuit, and this is the voltage across capacitor VCT. Okay, now let's understand how this capacitive voltage across capacitor and current through capacitor will change. Okay, so if you go through my previous video lectures, there I have shown that why the capacitor behaves as a short circuited path at the initial stage when there is no initial value or previous value of voltage across it. So this it behaves as a short circuit path, so it becomes a purely resistive path, and current will be nothing but Vs by R, and voltage across capacitor will be 0. And at the steady state, it will behave as a open circuit. All right, and so the voltage across capacitor will be nothing but the supply voltage itself, and current will be 0. Okay, so now let's understand what is the mathematical explanation behind this. So if you apply KVL, you will get this kind of expression: Vs is equal to Ric plus 1 by C integration Ic dt. So if you perform the Laplace transform and then finally if you perform the inverse Laplace, you will get this kind of expression for the capacitive current or the current flowing through the capacitor, where Tc is the time constant, which is Rc for the RC series circuit. Okay. Similarly, if you want to derive the expression of voltage across capacitor, you will obtain this in this manner. Okay, so this is the expression of voltage across capacitor. So now if you want to plot these two parameters Vc and Ic, it will look like this. See, Ic is starting from Vs by R at t equals to 0. Why? Because the initially circuit is a purely resistive one, so Vc by R, and gradually current decreases towards 0. Why? Because at steady state the capacitor behaves as open circuit, so current will be 0 and the entire supply voltage will be appeared across the capacitor. That means the Vc will touch Vs at steady state. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so now let's discuss what will happen when the switch suddenly changes its position from 1 to 2. Okay, so for the time being, you just assume that the circuit is at steady state, which I just showed. So no current is flowing and the voltage across capacitor is same as the supply voltage. So this is the steady state. Now suddenly the switch is shifted to position 2. So there's a transient phenomena. Okay, and accordingly the changes will come. How? Let's see. So suddenly the switch is shifted to position 2. So what will happen? As we know that capacitor has also the property of electrical inertia, and it doesn't allow a sudden change in the voltage across it. So it will try to maintain that same voltage which it already had initially. That means it will try to maintain the same voltage, that means Vs across it. Okay, so see, at the initial state what will happen? It will try to maintain the same voltage, that means it will behave as a voltage source. Okay, and it will try to flow a current at the opposite direction compared to the previous case, which is Vs by R at the very beginning, at the initial stage. Okay, and why does it behave as a voltage source? That I have already explained in my previous video lectures, and I will share all the links in the description box. Okay, and at the steady state what will happen? This voltage across capacitor will drive this current, and gradually it will discharge through this resistance, and finally current will be 0, and also the voltage across capacitor will be 0. Okay, so now let's see the mathematical explanation behind this. So if you apply the KVL, you will get this expression: after performing the Laplace transform and inverse Laplace, you will get this expression of capacitive current and the voltage across capacitor. Okay, if you try to plot this, you will get this kind of expression. See, initially voltage is Vs and gradually it decreases because the voltage will drive a current which will be dissipated across the resistor. So voltage will decrease and also current will decrease, although it starts in the reverse direction to flow from minus Vs by R, and gradually it will also be 0. So this is what it looks like. So this is the overall transient analysis of RC series circuit for different cases like position 1, position 2. Okay, so I hope you have understood the concept. If you have liked this video, then please share, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In my next video lecture, I will come up with some more interesting concept like that. Till then, goodbye.